Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles game crashing, not launching, not loading, freezing, lagging or other issues on PS5. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart PS5. So one of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just need to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. So after restarting your PS5, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5. Then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable, then select rebuild database. After this, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings first. Now click on network, then settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system, then select language option in the left sidebar. Here select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First, highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to go ahead to check for the game update. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings, then click on users and accounts. Then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles game. Then click on restore and finally confirm it by selecting yes. After that, check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings. Now tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved. If not, next method is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Now select Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles game, and after that check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next method is to reinstall Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles. For that, first highlight Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles again to check for the error. If not, the final method is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link I have already provided in the description. Just go through it and you can explain the issue whatever you are coming across to the support team, and hopefully the support team will help you from their end and you can play the game further. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.